If you've been doing research on how to launch an Amazon FBA business, you're gonna wanna watch this video covering the 5 secret tips to starting and launching your Amazon FBA business. If not, chances are you're gonna lose a lot of time and probably a lot of money. Step number 1 is gonna be researching a profitable niche and category to sell in. Here is the key. Too many people do this with an emotional attachment and not from a data standpoint. You have to start this business, especially if you're not an influencer or a pre-existing business owner where you can leverage your pre-existing business or your audience. You need to start this business with an open mind. Most products in different niches that you're gonna find that are gonna be profitable, you're probably not gonna wanna use these products. You're probably not gonna be super passionate about this niche. However, you can definitely make a killing from these categories. So this is something to think about. Not to say that you cannot go into a category or a niche that you're super passionate about and kill it, but I'm just asking that you have an open mind and you explore both sides of the road, because most products that I see that my clients launch that are crushing it are not passion projects. Now, when you're doing your research, a few things that you wanna look for is number 1, you wanna make sure that the product is not seasonal or not semi-seasonal. Number 2, you wanna make sure that the product is not trending. Number 3, you wanna make sure that the niche that you're in and the products that you're looking at are not patented. And other than that, you wanna make sure that you have the appetite financially for starting and growing inside of that niche in that category with that singular product. Number 2 is gonna be optimizing your listings so that you can actually get visibility. See, you can have the best product out there, but if you don't have an optimized listing and you're not running ads, you're not using keywords, no one will find you. So make sure that you're doing keyword research and you're placing these keywords in your listing within the backend of Amazon and in your campaign so people can actually find your products. Step number 3 is implementing a review campaign. You wanna have some type of way on platform and off platform that you are gonna be getting reviews, because reviews are very important. So you wanna identify a clear-cut strategy to getting your first couple hundred reviews. This could be through several different strategies, like creating groups off platform of friends, family members, colleagues, pre-existing clients, people you reach out to, and on platform by having a package stuffer expressing the importance of the review and doing review automation campaigns through a software like Jungle Scout. Number 4 is gonna be launching targeted PPC campaigns or pay-per-click campaigns. If I had to say one of the biggest mistakes I see brand owners make, that is not launching PPC or launching PPC improperly. See, you can have the best product, the best branding, the best photos, the best landing page. Literally everything could be amazing, but if you don't have any eyeballs that are getting on your listing, you will never make any sales unless you have pre-existing users or a pre-existing business, or you're an influencer with social medias or email lists or websites or etc. Right? But if you're just starting out and you don't have any of that, you're gonna wanna run PPC using targeted keywords, which is basically people are going to Amazon to buy. They're typing in the name of your product, and then Amazon is showcasing your product at the top above everybody else. That's how PPC works, and that's how you can accelerate your sales when starting out. Number 5 is gonna be continuously monitoring your campaigns, monitoring your listings, and monitoring the opportunities. There are tons of opportunities that come and go on Amazon that a lot of people are not using, like lightning deals, like subscribe and save. When you first start out, you're not gonna have access to lightning deals where you can literally discount your product and Amazon will put it on the first page underneath the deals section, or subscribe and save where you can literally have a coupon and people can order your product and it can come to their doorsteps monthly. This is predictable continuity-based income. There's also tons of beta programs that Amazon's always opening up where you can get reviews or you can potentially get more sales, so on and so forth. So you wanna be monitoring these things. You also wanna monitor your health, because there's all types of stuff that can happen, like your listing image can just disappear or something can happen internally, which is a bug, and that can also affect your sales. I have seen a ton of this stuff happen, and moral of the story, if you are just looking at your account, you're looking at your listing daily, you will have opportunities and you will find any mistakes or any issues that are going on so you can rectify them quickly. And those are 5 tips and strategies that will definitely help you out. Let me know down below in the comments which one you're gonna implement. And if you have any other ones that I didn't mention, I'd love to hear from you. Drop that comment down below. And if you're interested in starting, growing, or scaling your current Amazon business or your brand, down below, click the link watch that short 15-minute case study where I'm gonna show you my results, some of our clients' results, and how we are finding products that can create income 24/7, 365, scale this business, and then one day sell it for a high multiple. You can also schedule a free call on that link as well. See you soon. Remember, you're only one product away.